Use models to add. Grade 1. Let's model 12 plus 5. 12 has one 10 and two ones. 5 has 5 ones. Add the ones to the two-digit number. We get 1 10 and 7 ones. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. Let's try another example. 23 plus 30. 23 has two 10s and 3 ones. 30 has 3 10s. Add the 10s to a two-digit number. We get 5 10s and 3 ones. So 23 plus 30 equals 53. Let's try another example. 63 plus 4. 63 has 6 10s and 3 ones. 4 has 4 ones. Add the ones to a two-digit number. We get 6 10s and 7 ones. So 63 plus 4 equals 67. Let's do another example. 35 plus 50. 35 has 3 10s and 5 ones. 50 has 5 10s. Add the 10s to a two-digit number. We get 8 10s and 5 ones. So 35 plus 50 equals 85. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.